Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got SuperChic Lacquer Dirty Laundry and I'm going to play with some SheModern nail stickers. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is SuperChic Lacquer Dirty Laundry. Beautiful green hollow. Insanely hollow. So I'm going to cap my free edge here. And it does look different on my nails than in the bottle, and that's because my bottle's rather old and it's got ugly bottle syndrome. It looks a little bit more teal here to me. We'll see. So there we go with that beautiful first coat. Hi Woody, how you doing? So I am going to do a second coat, even though it's not needed. And, you know, because I like that extra layer of polish. I am using the SuperChic Marble Liquid Macro Top Coat. It is a great top coat. One of these days I'm going to have to just, you know, get a big bottle. So, capping that free edge real quick. And here is a swatch photo of Dirty Laundry all on its own. Now, here's for some tattletaling. I thought these were water decals, so I'm going about it like it's all a water decal. Y'all, this girl is blonde through and through. I was born a blonde, but as I get older, it's turning brown and gray. But I swear to y'all, inside of me lives a Chrissy Snow or something. I don't know. I'm having me a blonde moment. And you know, you don't have to be blonde to have a blonde moment. So, I'm soaking them, and I'm thinking, oh, I'm fixing a nail decal them. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm going to water decal with these rascals. What it was in my folder where I keep all of these supplies. I must have mixed up some stickers in with some water decals. So see, I'm still adamant that they're decals. So I'm like flipping them over and, you know, just making sure they're all wet. Just so y'all know, I'm sharing this, not because I want y'all to think I'm dumb or silly or anything, but because some of y'all have done this yourselves and probably thought you were dumb or silly. It happens to everybody. Let's just all be dumb and silly together. You know what I'm saying? It's okay. Because in the end, in fact, not the end, but here in just a second, this girl's going to figure it out. And she's going to be like, oh, there we go. These are stickers. These ain't decals. Yes. And I can guarantee y'all, there is somebody out there, one of my friends, one of my beautiful friends has done this before. So let me know down in the comments if you've done it. I want to know. So now that I've figured out their stickers, we just rocking on with this manicure. I love these copper looking butterflies over this teal color. I thought they were a match made in heaven. So I'm kind of angling the butterflies in different positions, flying up the nail, flying down the nail. And looky here, I can move this one because it's a sticker and not a decal. There we go, get that placement right. So here we go with the last one. And I'm going to let it hang over just a little bit. Kind of smooshed it all down on the side. I'm going to go in with the makeup sponge and just kind of smooth them out, rub over them. And then I'll be using the foil top coat from Revolution. It's very milky looking, but I'm assuming it's some kind of water-based glue. And once that's dry, I'm going to top it all off with some Poshe top coat and go just sit in the corner and look at my beautiful nails and laugh at myself. Oh, what a day. So here is my manicure in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. I always love hearing your stories. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.